For we constructing DC machine, we need shaft and rotor hub and armature shoe and L1 and L2 coils. For then proper bolts needed and proper tools for fixing. Then we need to take L1 coil need to assemble here. Then we need to take one armature shoe here and we need to fix with Allen key. After fixing it, we need to fix one side. Then we need to fix L2 coil over L1 coil. Okay. Okay. We fix here. Another L2 coil will be placed here. Then take another shoe and fix with bolt. Yeah. Then for this side also we need to fix shoe. Now tighten all bolts. Okay. Now we need to fix uh, commutator for this one. This commutator connection we need to make. We are making lap winding. Now we need to take this wire, these two, this starting end of the one coil and ending end of the another coil. We need to fix it in commutator first position. Then next connection will be starting and ending of next coil connection to next commutator slot. Then for third one also same. ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. We need to tighten the screws. Okay, after tightening all screws, we need to fix for motor base. Okay, now this is complete. Rotor set is ready. This is motor base. This one is removable bearing housing. This one is fixed bearing housing. This one brush holder, and this is a frame ring of stator. So first we need to remove this end bearing. Okay. Now we are making series motor. For series motor we need stator shoe and series coil. Now I will fix this series coil to the stator thing. Here we need to place this one shoe and then bolt we need to fix here with the help of Allen. We need to tighten this. As same way we need to fix for another end. Next we need to fix armature rotor for this motor base. Then we need to take end bearing housing and fix this bolts and tighten this bolt. Now we need to supply for series motor. For that one I am taking fixed supply to here to drive panel.
ಅದು ಮೈಕಲ್ ಸರಿ
Then we need to connect neutral for drive panel. Then from neutral output I am taking series ammeter for current reading. Then I will connect stator coil. Series first stator coil. I will connect from secondary. Series will connect into brush. We need to fix brush. Then brush holder. Then we need to connect for another side also we need to fix brush. Completing from we need to reconnect it to brush. For voltage reading I am connecting to voltmeters to parallel. Connection. Now I will do power supply for this one.
ಜೋರ
I will vary the voltage. I will give 40 to 50 voltage for this motor bus pattern. I will concentrate on open series motor. Shunt motor. For that one we need L4 and L5 coil, two numbers that we need to fix for stator. We need to fix for volt. We need to tighten this. Same way we need to connect for that side also. Now we fixed this shunt coils for the stator. Now we are fixing this armature for the main frame. Then we will fix end hose. Then we need to fix this one. Now we are making the connection of DC shunt motor with interpoles. For that one I am taking one single phase supply for drive panel. Then from variable supply I am taking to series with ammeter. Positive will be kept here. The negative of the supply will be kept here. connected in parallel with armature in normal DC shunt motor. We need to take the connection from interpoles series with the armature. Here. Here negative also connect. Here. The connection has been done. So this one. Now connection has been made. We need to start the drive panel and vary the potentiometer. Now wiring has been done for the shunt. Now wiring has been done for shunt motor with interpole. Now we need to turn on the machine. Then we need to turn on the DC drive panel and vary the voltage. We need to remove these two bolts. For these two bolts, to remove this frame. For now, we need to fix interpole for this one. This is interpole. This interpole we need to fix for this one. Now we need to fix for this one. Center of these two frames. Now we fixed these two interpoles for the frame. Then we need this frame for motor base. This property rules. Now we need fixed interpole to the after this we need to fix this rotor for the motor frame. Then this end housing for the and we need to fix this bolts. Taking a single phase supply for DC motor. For now, I am connecting positive for the series coil. Then we need to connect first ending to second coil starting. After that, we need to take from second coil ending to interpole starting point. Then interpole ending point to ending point to this one interpole starting point. Then ending point to brush. Then brush move into negative will be connected. For DC series motor with interpole connection has been done. Now we need to turn on the machine. And that one we need to press start button. Then for DC panel also we need to start button. Then we need to vary the voltage, observe the voltage and current.